Hi guys, welcome back to Best Product. Today, we are checking out the best OBD2 Automotive Scanner that can help you understand your car better and save time at the repair shop. If you drive a Toyota, Lexus, or Scion, this tool is made just for you. Let's get started. This is the AutoFix 7360 OBD2 Automotive Scanner. AutoFix designed this scanner as a complete diagnostic tool for Toyota, Lexus, and Scion vehicles. It is built to give you full system access, which means it can scan much more than just the engine. With the AutoFix 7360 OBD2 Automotive Scanner, you can read and erase fault codes from systems like engine, ABS, airbag, transmission, tire pressure, battery, front lighting, parking brake, powertrain, steering angle, gear shift, and cruise control. That wide coverage helps you find problems quickly without guessing. One of the most powerful parts of the AutoFix 7360 OBD2 Automotive Scanner is its 20-plus special functions. It supports TPMS reset, ABS bleeding, oil light reset, DPF regeneration, auto gearbox reset, and electronic parking brake reset. It also handles throttle adjustment, idle speed adjustment, air suspension reset, body control, and battery management. These features give you more control over your vehicle's maintenance. Instead of going to a service center for every small issue, you can manage many tasks yourself. The OBD2i functions are just as important. The AutoFix 7360 OBD2 Automotive Scanner can read and erase trouble codes, turn off the malfunction indicator lamp, check I&M readiness, and show live data streams. You can also access vehicle information like VIN, CIN, and CVN. This makes it easier to track emissions-related issues and make sure your car is ready for inspection. Another helpful feature is the built-in DTC lookup library. When a trouble code appears, the scanner shows its definition right away. You do not need to search online to understand what the code means. This saves time and helps you decide what repair is needed. The design is simple and user-friendly. The AutoFix 7360 OBD2 Automotive Scanner comes with a 2.8-inch TFT 262K color display that clearly shows results. The screen is bright and easy to read. The silicone keypad feels smooth and makes menu navigation simple. It also has a rugged, drop-proof casing so it can handle daily use without worry. To make it even better, AutoFix offers lifetime free software updates. You can download updates from the AutoFix website and follow easy on-screen instructions. This keeps the AutoFix 7360 OBD2 Automotive Scanner compatible with newer models and future technology. Smart diagnostics made simple. Check the price link in the description and do not forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more helpful tools and tech. See you in the next video.